10 amazing facts about Anushka Kaushik. First, Anushka Kaushik is a well-known actress from India. She is well known in the digital world for her work. Second, Anushka Kaushik was born on 21st July 1999 in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, India. Third, at Sophia Girls' School, she finished her education. She then continued her education at Delhi University's Shahid Bhagat Singh College. Fourth, Anushka's Bollywood journey officially began in 2019 with the release of S.P. Chauhan, a struggling man. Fifth, Anushka made an appearance as Chasky Rath in season 2 of Flames in 2019. Sixth, she has worked on over 50 web shows, including Boys Hostel, Pyar vs. Dosti, One Tip, One Hand, Not Dating, Who's Your Daddy, It's My Pleasure, and many others. Seventh, she is a skilled classical dancer. Eighth, her interests include dancing, working out, traveling, and shopping. Ninth, she loves working out. 10th, Anushka enjoys preparing meals with her mother. Subscribe the channel.